It was a bright, breezy morning in the cheerful town of Sunbeam Hollow, and Amy, a bubbly 6-year-old with curly pigtails and sparkly purple sneakers, was bouncing around the kitchen. Today felt extra special, but she didn't know why. As she reached for her cereal, she noticed a pink envelope taped to her spoon. Clue number 1, gratitude grows in the kindest heart. Today, your journey of love will start. Amy gasped. A treasure hunt? For me? Her cat, Whiskers, meowed and pawed at the note. Amy skipped to the living room and found Grandma May standing by a table full of baking supplies. Ready to make some thank-you cupcakes? Grandma smiled, handing her a chef's hat. Activity 1, Thank-You Cupcakes. Ingredients, sprinkles of kindness, scoops of love, and toppings of thankfulness. Instructions, write someone's name you're thankful for on a heart-shaped sticker. Stick it to a cupcake liner. Bake, decorate, and deliver the cupcake with a big smile. Amy scribbled MOM on her heart and decorated the cupcake with pink frosting and rainbow stars. I'm thankful for mommy hugs, she said. Just as the cupcakes cooled, Amy spotted clue number 2 pinned to a laundry basket. Clue number 2, gratitude shines in every chore, helping at home means you love even more. Amy blinked. I get to do chores, for fun? Grandma laughed and handed her a basket of fresh laundry. Let's build a laundry fort of love. Activity 2, Laundry Fort of Love. Use blankets, pillows, and clean clothes to build a cozy fort. Hide tiny thank you notes inside for your family to find. Amy scribbled notes, for Daddy, thank you for making silly jokes. For Nora, her baby sister, thanks for your baby giggles. For Whiskers the cat, thanks for purring me to sleep. She hid them inside the laundry cave and giggled when Whiskers tried to swat one. Outside, the flowers swayed in the breeze. Amy spotted clue number 3 inside her watering can. Clue number 3, grow your love in sunshine and soil, a grateful heart will always bloom royal. Grandma led her to the backyard, where pots of soil, paint, and seeds waited. Activity 3, planting a gratitude garden. Paint flower pots with thankful words and pictures. Plant a flower or veggie for someone you love. Amy painted one for her teacher with smiley faces and sunshine. Thank you, Miss Bella, for teaching me how to read. She planted daisies and added a tiny sign, gratitude grows here. As the sun dipped low, Amy returned inside and followed glowing paper hearts up the stairs. Each heart read, thank you for your big heart. You brighten every room. You are loved. She tiptoed into her bedroom and gasped. Her family stood there, smiling beside a handmade banner, thank you, Amy, for being you. On her bed sat a box wrapped in glitter paper. Inside were drawings and letters from her family and friends saying what they loved most about her. Mom's note, thank you for your hugs and morning songs. Dad's note, you remind me to smile every day. Nora's tiny handprint, with the word love in crayon. Amy's eyes sparkled. This whole day was for me, she whispered. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye!